Cape buffalo, more than a beast. You've seen the horns, heard the charge, but the Cape buffalo is more than brute force. It's a creature of grit, communal yet volatile, silent yet explosive. In this episode, we meet the buffalo, not as a threat, but as a code. Horns that speak. Look closely. Those horns aren't just weapons, they're identity. In males, the horns fuse at the base into a thick shield called a boss, a helmet of bone built for battle. Females wear lighter crowns, their horns curving apart like open arms. Each set tells a story: age, rank, and readiness. Herds that hold. Buffalo don't walk alone. They move in herds, sometimes hundreds strong, bound by instinct and strategy. When danger comes, they form a circle around the young, heads lowered, horns out, a living fortress. It's not just their defense, it's absolute defiance. Memory and revenge. Buffalo remember. They've been known to circle back, to stalk, even to kill those who've harmed them. Some call them the mafia of the savannah, not for cruelty, but for calculation. They don't forgive and never forget. Pathfinders and Power. The herd follows its elders, who are experienced cows called the Pathfinders. They lead the way to grazing lands, water holes, and safety. Leadership isn't loud, it's earned. And when males fight, it's not just a clash of horns, it's a test of mass, muscle, and memory. Mud and medicine. Buffalo wallow in mud, not for play, but for protection. It cools their skin, kills parasites, and shields them from the sun. They also host oxpeckers, the small birds that eat ticks from their hides, even from inside their nostrils. It's a partnership, a pact between species. Swimmers and survivors. Buffalo can swim, crossing rivers to escape predators or reach greener pastures. They're not just land-bound tanks, they're amphibious strategists. And when lions attack, the buffalo fight back. They've been known to kill lions, even rescue herd members mid-hunt. Birth and bonding. Calves are born into the herd's protection. They walk within hours and learn the rhythm of survival from the ground up. Motherhood is fierce. The herd is the cradle. Adaptation and survival. Buffalo thrive in grasslands, woodlands, and wetlands. They shift grazing patterns with the seasons and move as one when threatened. They're not just strong, they're strategic. Keeper of grit. So next time you see a buffalo standing silent in the dust, remember, it's not just muscle, it's memory, unity, and survival. The Cape buffalo is not just a beast, it is a keeper of grit. And this is just the beginning. Don't forget to watch our tribute music video to the Cape buffalo, Black Death. Join us next time as we meet another of Africa's Big Five, the elusive black rhinoceros revealed through lesser-known facts.